welcome back to my channel, Korea's Vlogs. So today's video, we will going to unbox a package from DSW. This is not a sponsored video, by the way. So DSW is designer shoe warehouse. So I ordered from them 3 items. So I am still waiting for another item that will be delivered tomorrow, Monday, because it's Sunday over here right now. So I got this actually yesterday, so I'm gonna unbox it today. So, ano pa guys ang hihintay nyo? Samahan nyo ako guys na mag-unbox nito. By the way, my husband is here.
Hello everybody.
He's making me a hot chocolate. Thank you, my love.
You're welcome.
Because it's cold, guys. So let's start. Hirap buksan. So, 2 items inside the box, guys. Because they were having a clearance, so that's why I decided to order this. Because I found it really nice. Are you excited? Ooh. Ooh. So I have here the return and exchanges are so easy. So this, if you want to return it, guys, yeah, they have it right here, the form, if you want to return it. So actually, the one they delivered me is the 2 items. I ordered 3 items and the total price is $70.78. Ayan siya guys. So, iwan ko kung makikita ninyo yung price. I have here the FedEx Ground Package Return Program from FedEx. Because FedEx guys yung nag-deliver. So, let's start from the first item, which is the what is this? The kids. This is the kids shoes. Right? It's a Anchor RPC Bloss Burgundy. So this is size 5 guys, because I am size 5. Ayan siya kayo guys, kids na brand. You excited? Oh. Oh. Floral siya na ano. Oh, how cute. Yan siya guys. Diba? Cute niya. I'm so in love with with this when I saw it online, guys. The price is like, I think the original price is, I am not really sure if how much the original price, but I got it for like only 29 something dollars because they were on clearance. It is so pretty, guys, and it's size. So guys, andito na siya, guys. Si asawa andun sa background. Ayan na siya, guys. So, Rifle Paper Kids na brand. Ayan siya, guys. Diba? Ganda. Itatry ko mamaya, guys, ha. Ipapakita ko sa inyo. And the next item is a crossbody purse. And guess what brand? Let's open it. I love this brand. And guess what, guys? Naka-sale siya. Ang mahal nito kaya, guys. The original price is like $69, I think. And I got it only for like 20 something dollars. And guess what? It's an Aldo. My favorite brand. One of my favorite. I mean, not really my... One of my favorite. Guys, look. Aldo. This is not a sponsored video. Disclaimer lang, ha. I just bought these items because I love them. And guess. It's really cute. See? Cute, guys, huh? Diba? Cute niya. Tingnan nyo, guys, yung pag sa likod. Diba maganda siya? Malamig na kasi dito, guys, kaya ako naka-sweater. So, ito lang dalawa na to, guys. So, bali tomorrow, I'm still waiting for the other one, the other item. So, ito na siya. Ang daming naka-sale, guys, sa ano, sa DSW. I will show you the inside. So anyway, of course, ayan siya. May pangalan siya na Aldo. Cute lang siya. Ito lang kasi, guys, yung gusto ko sa mga purse, yung hindi malaki, ganun kalaki. Ito lang sa ganun malaki. Okay. So, I'm gonna try it, guys. Size 5. Ayan na siya, guys. Maganda to pag naka-dress yung first.